Let's look at truncating file size using the command truncate. Now, the Linux truncate command is often used to shrink or extend the size of a file to a specified size. Now remember one thing, truncate is not the same command as if you wanted to compress a file or gzip a file, which will reduce or shrink the size of a file. Truncate, on the other hand, will actually chop the file into the specified size. So if your file size is, let's say, 100 bytes, and you use the command truncate and shrink it down to 50, then it will actually chop the file and you will lose the data or the content of a file. Whenever if you do cat to the file, you'll see half of your data is gone if you are chopping using the command truncate. So the command that you will need to use to run it is truncate minus s as for size, which is the option. 10 is the actual integer to the specified file, whichever file that you want to truncate to. So this is the size option, is everything is there. So now let's go into our Linux machine and we will try our command, the truncate command over there. Okay, so we are in our Linux machine. To practice our truncate command, or to go over it, I will create a file called, by the way, I am in my home directory and I am logged in as myself. And my host name is my Linux machine, of course. Okay, and now I want you to create a file called touch and call it Seinfeld words. The file is created. You could verify it by doing ls-l and the name of the file and hit enter. You will see the file is there. It has 0 bytes and is owned by me and the permission and all that stuff. Now do echo and type the famous characters of the famous words that you could think of that of Seinfeld. But if you don't know, then just follow my lead and just keep typing. Like the first word is puffy shirt. Second word is giddy up. Third word is yada yada. Kavorka. Serenity now. And last one, let's say Festivus. And put that to our Seinfeld file. So let's make it a little bigger so you'll see all in one line. So I'm actually echoing out these words and I am putting it to the file name, the file that we just created. Hit enter. Now go ahead and do cat on Seinfeld words and you will see all of these words inside of that file. Now do ls-l and do Seinfeld and you'll see the size of the file is now 57. Now if you wanted to shrink that file using the command truncate, then you would have to use command truncate minus s as an option, space, the size that you want to specify, that you want to shrink it to. So right now it's 57. Now let's make it 40. And the name of the files. And hit enter. Now do ls-l to Seinfeld again and you will see the size has been reduced to 40 bytes. Now let's see the contents of the file now. Seinfeld words. Okay, you see the content right now. When I did cat, it says puffy shirt, giddy up, yada yada, Kavorka, and SERE up to here. That's it. it did not complete the entire word Serenity Now. See right here, as I have right here, Serenity Now, and then it actually removed Festivus as well. So it actually, so when I do cat again, Seinfeld, you see right here, it actually removed the last few letters. Why? Because it has to chop it down. That's why we would use the truncate command if I wanted to chop the file. Now remember, truncate command is not used to actually compress or make it size, make it smaller while keeping the same content. So be very careful. Anyway, so this is the lesson where I wanted to cover the truncate command. You could use this, or you could also use the truncate to extend or make the file bigger. So if I do truncate, so hit up arrow key and I put it back to, let's say, 60 and hit enter, and now do ls minus l Seinfeld. You see the size is 60. Now does it mean that we're gonna get our whole word Serenity Now and Festivus back in that file? No. Let's check, let's verify, do cat Seinfeld's words, and you see it's not there. It's still giving me only the size that has all those words, because it does not have the information, whatever that we lost while we did the truncate to shrink it. So it did extend it, but now where is that extension thing that's been added? Where did it go? Well, it's just the empty letters that it actually, the truncate has added to this file. It is the at letter signs to make it bigger. Right now we do not know how to use VI editor, so by the time we'll use the VI editor, you will know how to VI. But for now, just to show you, we could do VI Seinfeld and hit enter, and you will see right here all these at signs. These all at signs were added because when we extended the file, so operating system said, now you're extending, I have to put it something in there, right? But I don't know what it had before, but I'm gonna add something so make it bigger. So that's why you see it. Anyway, so if you are using VI right now and you want to get out, hit escape, shift colon Q bang, which is right above number 1, and hit enter, and you will get out of VI. So anyway, don't get into VI right now. If you're not familiar with it, we'll cover it later on. So anyway, I wanted to cover this truncate. I hope you understand how truncate works now. Try it out with different files, different contents in a file, and see if you get familiar with it.